Hello and welcome to a What's New in SolidWorks CAM 2021. This year in SolidWorks CAM, a renewed focus has been put on how we can make stock. With new features in the Stock Manager, we can now choose a predefined stock size from our technology database, or even create one on the fly and save it back to the technology database. Another thing to note for predefined stock is that we can also put a stock ID in as well, helping you connect your MRP or ERP system even closer to SolidWorks CAM. As well as predefined stock, we have the ability now to do circular billets. A circular billet will allow you to do the outer diameter, as well as the overall length, and as well the offset of the face from the part, allowing you complete control of how big you want your billet to be. Once coming out and then refreshing your stock, you'll see there's a now warning message on what operations were rebuilt because of the stock size change. Moving on from stock, we can now have a look at what is changed now in drilling. In drilling in SolidWorks CAM, we now have some extra options on drill hole parameters. We can do an input value like before, or a percentage of tool, or even a percentage of hole length, giving you even more flexibility on what you want to create for your toolpaths. As you'd expect with SolidWorks CAM, these can be saved straight into the technology database and be dependent on material, size of material, or even the tool you're using, allowing even more flexibility when it comes to drilling. A final update that can be seen in the technology database settings is the ability to set a predefined location for post processors, allowing people with multiple users the option to make sure everybody's using the same post processor. Thank you for watching the What's New in SolidWorks CAM 2021, and if you would like to know more information about SolidWorks CAM, please visit our website at www.solidsolutions.co.uk.